The city of Ahmedabad waited with bated breath for this day for 6 years, for the Indian men's cricket team to return. And what a grand return it was, as the brand new Narendra Modi Stadium opened its doors to international cricket for the first time, inaugurated by the Honourable President of India, Ramnath Kovind, with the Home Minister Amit Shah also present on this momentous occasion.
नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम देश की सेवा करने के लिए यहाँ पर है। स्टेडियम ऐतिहासिक स्टेडियम है, कई सारे रिकॉर्ड यहाँ पर बन रहे हैं, आज भी बने हैं। आज भी एक मैच यहाँ शुरू होने जा रहा है। पिंक बॉल का मैच पहली बार स्टेडियम पे खेला जाएगा।
It's a moment of immense pride for BCCI Secretary Jay Shah, the man hosting the pink ball test at the biggest cricket stadium in the world.
As you know, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is thinking big way. So when he was a president of Gujarat Cricket Association, at that time he gave us a task to build largest infrastructure in the world. And under the leadership of the former president of Gujarat Cricket Association and Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji supervised entire project. And it's not the largest stadium in India; it's largest stadium in the world.
With a capacity of 1.3 lakh spectators, the stadium is not just the pride of Gujarat, but India's pride too, both for its capacity and for its world-class facilities.
So apart from this stadium, we have a indoor academy, outdoor academy, as well as we have exclusive sports complex which contains 40 sports. So it's a all international sports, and we have Olympic style of swimming pool, we have Olympic style of tennis court. Everything we have here. और गुजरात क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन का दूसरा मोटिव है कि भाई क्रिकेट का पैसा क्रिकेट के अलावा दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स में भी जाए. So as far as future is concerned, if you look at the lights, we have LED concept. Capacity is around 3000 lux. So as per standard norms, you need 2000 lux. So we have extra 1000 lux. And as far as dressing room is concerned, we have 4 dedicated dressing room and we have gym in each dressing room. So player will be comfortable after entering into the dressing room.
The players are in awe of the stadium and its facilities at the world's largest stadium.
It took almost 1 hour to get used to the size of this ground and the kind of facilities it has provided us. I feel very, very proud that we have this in India, where we can host so many people and we can have wonderful games here.
It's an amazing ground. Big dressing room, so yeah, it's quite spacious and we are enjoying the facilities out here.
हम लोग काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं, काफ़ी खुश हैं कि इतना बढ़िया, इतना सुंदर स्टेडियम हमारे देश में बना.
Settings are truly amazing, to be very honest. We've practiced, we did everything, we did fielding and everything. Obviously it's amazing ground. I don't think so कि इस ग्राउंड से ज़्यादा बेटर कोई ग्राउंड हो सकता है कि अगर आपको अपना 100 टेस्ट मैच और कुछ भी अचीव करना हो क्रिकेट में. तो
It's one of the largest stadiums in the world, so we were all excited to get onto the ground and see the outfield, obviously just move around.
And even the England players can't get enough.
It looks absolutely sensational, and to imagine there being 50,000 people in there is it's really exciting to think that they'll get what the atmosphere will be like. We played in front of 15,000 in Chennai, which was very, very loud. And I'm sure it's going to be even louder here.
As India's brand new Theatre of Dreams opens its doors to international cricket with almost a month-long festival of cricket starting with a day-night test, the excitement is palpable in Ahmedabad, Gujarat and the whole of India.
GCA और BCCI दोनों में एक्साइटमेंट है because 2 बेस्ट टीम आर प्लेइंग. और इंडिया के लिए ये टेस्ट मैच इसलिए महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि इंडिया को वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप में के फाइनल में पहुंचना है, तो उनको 2-1 या 3-1 से ये टूर्नामेंट जीतना पड़ेगा.